There are more people online than ever before. There are more people using and can be reached easier and quicker than ever before. So this is the paradox of where we're at in today's age of business. Where on one hand, it's never been easier to become a billionaire, but it's never been harder to become a millionaire. That's interesting, isn't it? Never easier to become a billionaire, but never harder to become a millionaire. You have the ability to go from nothing to all over the place all at once, but it's a lot more challenging to do that because there are so many different things to consider. It can become overwhelming. Choice fatigue. So psychologists call this choice fatigue. People, when presented with more choices, typically experience more pain because they have the regret of having made the wrong choice. Jelly bean experiment, right? First control group, they say, you have the choice between this jelly bean flavor and that one, 2 choices. Then they would pick the one that they wanted, and after they were done eating the jelly bean, they would say, did you enjoy it? Are you happy with your decision? That was group 1. Group 2, 32 choices of jelly beans. 32 choices. Then this group would pick the one they liked, or thought they liked. They would eat it, and after they were done, they would ask them, did you enjoy your decision that you made? Who was more likely to enjoy their decision? The first group or the second group? Who was more happy and satisfied with the decision? Group number 1 that had 2 choices, or group number 2 that had 32 choices? 32 choices. And the answer is group number 1, choice fatigue. We as a species right now are going through an unparalleled time of choice fatigue. Choice fatigue. There used to be a day where we could only read what the paper told us to read. Nowadays, you can customize your news down to the character. But with choice comes choice fatigue, which comes pain, which comes problem, which comes challenge, which comes opportunity.